we're a member of IDDBA, and as a member, we take advantage of a lot of information that is emailed to us. I love seeing the new product introductions that all of our competitors and the complementary members are introducing, sometimes in between the shows, sometimes at the shows. The data that we receive, letting us know what the trends are in the industry, is invaluable. So we're really happy that we are members of IDDBA.
We're members of IDDBA and we really enjoy the benefits, especially the What's in Store publication. It's a publication that we use for all of our presentations for our buyers and our retailers, and it's great data that we appreciate and utilize almost every day.
I'll tell you, as a manufacturer, it's great to have the opportunity to be present at this show as an exhibitor. And I say that both from a large manufacturer like Reese's and for the smaller first-time manufacturers. There's nowhere else where you could have the retail community come to one location and see the entire portfolio of everyone's product available in one spot. So for new members and for first-timers, great opportunity for exposure that you don't have to fly all over the country and chat with retailers. And for large manufacturers, same thing. And for the retail community, they have one place where they can see manufacturers large and small and to get exposed to innovation and new product offerings.
This is our first year at the IDDBA Visionary Pavilion, and it's been a tremendous joy to be here, and something for a small company, a family business, where you come meet people, and we've met some really good retailers. We were here to not just showcase the products, but solutions, and also ideate about doing some creative work in this space. And I think we found that. And that's something that I'm going to take back and work on. So thank you for having us. It was great to be here, and we look forward to coming again next year.
What the show presents to retailers is the ideas and opportunities to enhance whatever respective retail organization you work with.
I think for me, the opportunities that we're finding is the new products and the new trends and things that we can bring back. Even though we are not the buyers, we are working with a team of people and bringing the information to the buyers, telling them this is what we need. On the ground, we know this is what our customers are asking for, and this is what we'd love to see in the store.
It definitely enhances what we do from a retail perspective.
As far as all the emails that I get every week, I get thousands of emails, and the IDDBA, there's a couple other that I read on a regular basis just to see where everything's at in the marketplace, make sure we're on trend and trends where they're supposed to be.
The research data is great, having that access to IRI data, especially for companies that may not be big enough or afford it on their own, is great. The webinars, in particular, we just had Trevor do a webinar on PDO cheeses out of Europe. It's a great way for not only members to learn, but potential new members to learn. And that's a great resource for everybody that's a member.
Sono Guglielmo Sassi, italiano, e sono proprietario della Casale Italian Food Company, che è una quarta generazione nella salumeria di Parma, nel nord Italia. E per noi è un onore partecipare all'IDDBA, è il 7° anno consecutivo che partecipiamo, e pensiamo che sia una grande opportunità per incontrare persone e clienti per il mercato americano.